Gloves are on. So now, I'm going to try to tear apart this injector pod. Alright, here we go. So, we got a bunch of these star bits on here all over this thing, so we're going to start taking those off. It's not knee. Wrong size. Wrong size. It's not too wrong. Just a little bit. Probably looks like T15. That was weird. Still got some fuel trapped in there. I joke. I kid. Alright. Should come out by hand. What was this? T15. I know you can't feel it. There's a really nice breeze right now. And it feels amazing out here. Love this weather. Love it. We're gonna have to fast forward to this. La, 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 la. So many. Definitely do not want this thing to come apart. Ah, man. Alright, these are smaller. Keep them separated. There we go. Separation. Here we go. We're going to leave those in there for right now. They should come out. We'll look at that in a minute. Running out of room. This thing is nasty. This thing is so nasty. Instructions just in case. This here, you need to get cleaned. Like so. That thing is disgusting. Bad. Couldn't even tell what color it was. That's a gasket. That's gonna have to come off in there. So, yeah. Okay. She may never run again. I think I'll be alright. Just gotta clean this bad boy up. It's gotta be a quick. There. That's easier. Now, from what I understand, there's a spring in here, so I'm going to have to be careful. It's already starting to separate from that spring pressure in there. Yeah. It's gonna go. Bang! Oh. Dude. That is a lot of spring pressure. That's terrifying. Oh, there we go. Look how nasty. Oh, that is absolutely disgusting. I'm gonna have to clean that off. This thing ain't in the best shape either. Yeah, it's trash. It's trash. Now I'm starting to see where all these little gaskets go too. All right, WD. Oh. Yeah. You know what? I was terrified to do this to begin with, but looks pretty simple. Shouldn't be too bad. Now we gotta find this gasket and this gasket. So this goes like so. Where's the other one? All right, it's got two different sized ones for this thing over here, but we're good. Don't cut myself. Injector pods are kind of stuck, so I'm gonna try to get these things off. They got like a little section underneath here. I'm just gonna try to lift gently. It's stuck. How, sweet? Oh, okay. Oh. Hey. They're trying. They really are. Just don't understand what's... Get out of there. Why? Why? I don't know how to get that out of there. Really don't want to... What the hell? These things won't even stay locked. Bruh. I'm gonna lose it today. I'm gonna lose it. Oh, progress. There we go. It's not the way I wanted to do it, but it's the way it got done. I need to pay attention to this. This is the way it came out, Brandon. If you need to come back and check this. Oh. Little O-rings. Yay. More stuff to lose. This one. That one is stuck in there. Need one of my picks. Oh, there we go. Ta-da! There's that. O-ring towards the top. That was scary. Okay. We know where it went though. Okay, we almost lost it. It's got a metal ring in there. Metal ring underneath the O-ring. That's all cleaned off. Alright. Now, this has been completely gutted. We're going to clean it. WD-40. Now this piece is very, very dirty. It ain't going to come out as nice as that other piece. By any means. Why does my back hurt? Because you're hunched over like an idiot. Disgusting. Wait. Alright, getting somewhere. I didn't even know there was another gasket in there. That's how nasty this thing was. Wasteful. Should be that bad. I am. I'm gonna do it. I don't even know what that big one's for. Ain't nothing on here like that. Oh, it's just like a regular old gasket. What? What? So I figured out where these little screens go. Go around the bottom of this injector right here. Just have to ease it off from there. There we go. I mean, that looks pretty dirty. It could have been a problem. Part of a problem. Need that more power, baby. Need that more power. More power, baby. Alright, screen. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Número uno. Número dos. Hold over. Thing probably never been replaced. No, definitely never been replaced. Never. Never ever. She's gonna be like, oh my god, I can breathe. This one's not one to go on as easy. But we're getting there. Hey, what up? So we got the brass. Got those little brass washers in there. Now we need new O-ring. Yeah, maybe. It's in there. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Here we go. Ta-da. All right. So now, these other little tiny O-rings should go like so. And like so. And this needs to go in like so. For now, we got them loosely set in there. And hopefully, once we get the top plate on, we'll kind of seal the deal. So, this has to go back on. Like that. Hopefully like that anyway. I don't know. That should work though. So we got that. Got the other gasket to put on. We gotta clean this. Dang. Look how dirty that is. Filthy. Disgusting. Disgusting. It will have to be. Maybe. Yeah. Get in there. Whatever that was. Go, didn't you? Alright. It's cleaner than what she was. This has to be cleaned. I should have got new ones of these, but you know. Hindsight, it's 2020. Work. Work. Yeah. Daggum. Like so. And that has to get spring loaded back onto here. Like so. Oh. This is gonna be a wee bit complicated. Why is he coming back? How does one do this? Am I missing something here? No, you guys didn't want to see that. I struggled with it for about 10 minutes trying to compress that spring into here. But she's in there. Pins line up. Gasket all the way around. So we're good. Finally. But it was a struggle. I will tell you that. It's not fun. Not fun at all. Make sure these two corners line up. All aboard the struggle bus. We're getting there. Finally. Yeah. Making progress. There. Yay! So that's back together. Injectors are back together. This needs to go on here with that gasket. There we go. Like so. Wrong way. Right way. One way. We're getting somewhere. I'm going to use these bolts to push that down a little bit further. Hopefully. Just keep in mind not to add too much twerks so we don't strip anything out, don't break anything. Just gonna go a little bit at a time, push these bad boys in. Hopefully my truck still runs. Hopefully. There. Now, see that gap? I'm gonna slowly start adding a little bit of pressure to it, begin to push in those injectors. Doing it by hand. You can feel if you get any kind of bind, anything like that. Definitely no binding. So I think we're good. Oops. Oh, that's all got to come back off. Hey, at least we caught it. At least we caught it. Dang it, man. Damn, bruh. We forgot. Got the 8-ball gasket. See? Mistakes happen. I'm sure I would have found out one way or another. I'm glad I found out now. Because if I would have had this entire thing put together, that'd be pretty frustrating. So we're good. We're good. Figuring it out. Together. One step at a time. Got that. And this goes like so. Corner pocket. 8-ball corner pocket. So now, forgot something else. We'll get there one of these days. Eventually. I almost said screw it. I was gonna do it. Pick the washer right here. Yeah. Get that out of there. Put the new one in. Pretty sure that's what that is. It's gotta be. It's made of like a foam material. Those two gotta be for that. Is it for this? Does this fit down in here? Alright, time to get the instructions. What are the little foamy bits for? 8 dust seal for the regulator. Okay. Whoa. Felt like something just came off. Is that for the phone piece? Ah, bro. Yeah, they got me. I'm not sure, but I honestly don't know where else I could go. That's where she's gonna go. No, that's gotta be it. That's gotta be it. It ain't this dang. It ain't this dang O-ring. Using this. Yeah, that's definitely it. What did I say? 3 times the charm? Maybe. Possibly. Yeah. La, 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 la. This is annoying, especially doing it for the third time. Yeah. Really hope this thing runs again. Just get them all snugged up. Yay! Oh, there we go. There we go. Now we got two other O-rings to put on here. Get her set up on this sucker. Then we'll be good to go. Good to go. Yeah! We're almost done. Gotta get this spacer back on here. This thing's pretty clean for the most part. So this sits like so. It's a spacer. The spacer. Oh yeah. Then these suckers. Sucker. There. We're getting there. Now, this is the one that was kind of jacked up on me. There we go. That wasn't bad. Not bad at all. What did we say? It was 4. So. That's how it was. Bevo. Doop 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 doop. We're not gonna tighten that one down anymore. It is what it is. There. Holy cow. I think we're done. Now we're just gonna plug everything back up and see if it's finishing it up. Energy is running out. I'll tell you that. Okay. Get away. Oh my God. Get out of my way, bro. You're messing me up. Get back. Come on. Whew. The first bolt lined up at least. This might go better than what I anticipated. Okay. Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, dude, she lined right up. We will take that. Nope. This one did not. Oh, that's it. Yeah. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I'll just give her some Ooga Doogas. Don't want to strip it. Nice. 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 Wow. We're getting there, ladies and gentlemen. We got him. Nice. Maybe. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. This wrench is weird. Yeah. Nice. Oh, now we gotta put these back on. Kick down cable. Engaged. Throttle cable. Engaged. Rag. Removed. Gotta get this sucker plugged back in. Forgot that the last time I was working on this and almost had a panic attack. There we go. Plugs. All the plugs. Alright. Alright. So we're all buttoned up. Almost forgot that. Throttle spring right there. But I just want to make sure that we don't have any leaks. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Please. Please, baby. Alright. What do we got? No. Alright. Good. Don't see any leaks anywhere. Well, now we see if it runs. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
It is what it is.
Well, I'm definitely probably gonna have to get new injectors now. I might have messed that one up. I don't know. It wasn't doing that before. Now it's doing that. And it's idling high. It's running good. I mean, I think it's running like really good, but still ain't right. We'll figure it out. Alright, so we figured out the problem. Wasn't that big of a deal. The O-rings weren't seated all the way, so I ended up redoing that because it got to the point where it wouldn't run, even though I said it was running great. And now it's idled back down. Runs good. Runs very good. No leaks. I got the hat back on it so you can't see it. But yeah.